Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Anuj and I'm going to show you today how do we install Python on our systems. So without any further delay, let's get straight into it. So to install Python, we are going to use any browser of your choice. I'm going to use Safari. So once it is active, I will show you. You have to go to the website python.org. Okay. So you have to go to the website python.org. Once the website is available, you can take your cursor to the download section and it will show you the latest option available. In my case, it is showing this option. I can click on this one and it will start downloading. Okay. Once it is downloaded, I will show you how do we install this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how do we install this. So as you can see, the Python is downloaded and you can click on continue. Continue again, click on agree. Okay, so now it is downloaded and installing. So once it is completed, I'll see you again. Just take some time. Alright guys, so now the application is almost installed. So as you can see, it says it has been successfully installed. I'm going to close it now and move it to bin. So I really hope you enjoyed the process of downloading this application and installing it. And I'm going to show you how do we test the version of Python installed onto our systems in the next video. Please feel free to check that out. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. If you're getting any errors, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try and help you. Thank you. I'll see you around.